In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best long-range scope mount that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Vortex Optics Precision Matched Riflescope Rings. The Vortex Optics Precision Matched Rings are rugged, lightweight and anti-snag scope rings are aluminum built and finished with a Type 3 hard anodized coating. The aluminum body is machined of certified USA 7075 T6 billet aluminum and clamped incredibly tight with a precision CNC mill. These scope rings are very specific to Picatinny rails and will not work with a Weaver style. They are quality made in the USA and come with their own hex wrench included. Customers of these rings really seem to love them a lot. They comment that the quality of these rings are very high and that they are nice and solid. Number 2. Burris Signature 1-inch Z Rings. For the shooter who demands the best performance from his equipment and is a practical thinker, the Burris Signature rings claim to be the most significant technological advancement in scope mounting history. This revolutionary design sports many great benefits such as consistent accuracy. These rings have been designed with a synthetic pivoting insert within a steel outer ring which allows your scope-to-ring surface area contact to become practically 100%. Burris rings and bases are well known and have been a favorite choice for custom gun makers. Number 3. Seekins Precision Screw Scope Ring. The Seekins Precision Scope Rings are a horizontally split for screw-type scope ring set, which are said to be the best available through superior design, precision machining and obsessive attention to detail. They certainly are a beautifully designed ring. These rings are versatile and come in 30 mm and range from low to AR high in height. They can accommodate most rifle and optic combinations this way, and with that Picatinny rail fitting, you should expect a nice, sturdy mount and great performance. Number 4. EGW 1-inch Practical Aluminum Rings 750. The EGW 1-inch Practical Aluminum .750 scope rings are vertical split-type rings made from precision machined aluminum and anodized for a nice, matte black finish. They come in a 1-inch or 30 mm diameter. Customers of these rings claim that they are some of the best with a rock-solid mount and extreme ease of leveling the scope. Also, they are gentle and don't do damage to the scope tube when tightened down. No real customer negatives were noted, and the rings appear to come with their own bit to tighten them down right. Number 5. TPS TSR Low Sporting Optic Rings. The TPS TSR Low Sporting Optic Rings are incredibly precise, with a ring bore diameter circularity within 2/10,000 of a thousandth, and ring bore parallelism and perpendicularity to ring base less than 1/10,000 of a thousandth. The TPS TSR scope rings are designed from 7075 T651 aluminum alloy in a hard anodized finish, in attractive matte black. With as precisely as they are machined, they provide for maximum scope to ring contact and hold your scope securely against recoil.